Hello, meat smokers. What we're gonna do today, I'm gonna show you how to replace the wire. And actually, I got my silicone wire, gauge 14, heat resistant, and I have a new thermofuse. Um, this is rated for 152 Celsius or 305 Fahrenheit, and also from 10 amps is rated 15 amps. And I got some of the couplers that I'm gonna use with the wire. I'm gonna cut the wire same length and just to replace. So let's go. Okay, I end up to remove it because I need it's very thick. Easy. Okay, first one is done. So make sure that you push the silicone that was here. You push back in one of the wires and start working. Now, the heat or the thermal sensor, the new one, came with these little things. I think they are too small for the gauge 14 cable. So maybe I gotta use one of these. But we'll see how it goes. And this one here is done. It's ready to go over here. And this is done. So now I'm gonna have to put this back and we're gonna give it a shot. So the shield is back. These are tight and I gotta give it a shot. See what happens. So 232 set at 230 so far. I've been steady. There are shifts sometimes, 10 degrees up or down, so I don't understand why. But the other thing is it's empty on the back, so it might be that here is empty. It could be that.